Hello guys, welcome to my channel Herbal Cure Tips. I hope you're fine. Today I have an amazing and 100% working formula for you, but subscribe my channel first. Today, I will give you the best formula of herbal tea. During the winter season, dry cough is a common problem. Herbal tea, it may also help you for reducing dry cough problem. Ingredient: first, take dry ginger 1 gram and grind it till powder form. Second, take glycyrrhiza 1 gram and grind it also till powder form. Third, take cassia fistula 3 grams. Method: first, boil water 5 minutes. Now add cassia fistula 3 grams in boil water. Second, add glycyrrhiza 1 gram in boil water, and third, add dry ginger 1 gram. Boil these three things 5 to 10 minutes, and your herbal tea is ready. Drink herbal tea 3 to 4 times in a day.